welcome to Gaidshala. Today we are talking about training. Training at Gaidshala conduct in 8 modules. Today, training plays very important role. It is just like necessity. So training is very crucial to get better placement in your dream companies. And this pandemic created tremendous job losses and made tons of people trapped in unemployment. Competition has increased, and to survive in this competition, sharpening your skills is very important. Proper training institute is necessary to get right skills imbibed you. Candidate should be tracked continuously to ensure their growth in soft skills as well as hard skills. The package of 8 skills will make you best imbibed with the necessary skills. You can reach great heights by enrolling in this course and implementing all your skills in your professional areas. This will help you in gaining success in all your ventures become easy. So, here Gaidshala is a best platform for the better growth in all your employment and career related prospectus. So these are some tools which are going to help you. These are personality development, personal grooming, public speaking, business communication, communication skills, soft skills, leadership skills, management skills. So these are the 8 tools which are going to help you. Let's we talk about our first point, that is personality development. Personality development doesn't have only aspects to represent our soft skills or hard skills. No, rather the package of both is essential to solve problem and get up with new ideas, new solution. So develop your personality by enrolling in Premier Training Institute and who is taking full responsibility of enhance your career. Now we come to the second point, that is public speaking. Public speaking is a very necessary skill to give a perfect presentation with a proper on point explanation of your presentation. It should be effective and partial of full distinguished view of the meeting. It is very important. Now we come to the third point, that is business communication. Business communication is very must skill in any organization, as we know that communication is very important in any business. For any business, any type like verbal, non-verbal, written, listening as well as visual communication are grabbed easily and learned with the help of business communication. Interactive session can be smooth with the help of smooth business communication which are built in you through our trainings. Now we come to our fourth point, that is soft skills. Soft skills are very essential parameter of our professional world. So this is mainly included leadership qualities, adaptability, flexibility, work, teamwork, spirit, and work ethics, many more. The full package of this is a suitable employer for any resignation position of the company. Now we talk about personal grooming. Personal grooming is to maintain, to clean, to hygiene our all your body parts with formal presentation of you in any organization is known as personal grooming. It is also a part of personality development, so it is also important too. Now we talk about communication skills. The effective communication skills is a key of success in any organization. A simple language can be the best source of getting proper understanding ideas while communicating, the best listening as well as it will also avoid the misunderstanding. Now we talk about 7 point, that is leadership skills. Leadership skills is essential as it will help you individually as well as guide your groups at the time of difficulties. This still will help you for further new innovative method of developing and managing people at the same time. New business opportunity will be developed for you if these skills are stronger in you. So this is last but not least, management skill. Management skill is help you in enhancing and developing your knowledge in new latest ideas as well as the current economic situation of the business. You will learn how to deal with a various type of finance performing in own your unique business, innovation strategy and market doing, as well as performing your operation smoothly in a very planned manner. So, these are the 8 packets of skills which help you for a great career. So, you can improve and enhance your personality by implementing all these skills in you. So, go fast and enroll yourself for this training for the benefit of this training. Thank you.